Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Cookie!
9, 10. Ready or not, here I come! Oh, found you!
What is happening to me?
Hiccups to happen if you eat so fast, drink fizzy drinks, or even laugh too much.
How do I stop it?
Try drinking water slowly, sip by sip.
Oh, Uncle, it worked! Thank you!